How to use tools like Google Workspace for medical admin tasks.
Google Workspace is a powerful suite of cloud-based tools that can help medical virtual assistants manage administrative tasks efficiently. It includes essential apps like Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Meet, and Google Forms, all accessible online and ideal for remote work. 1. Gmail. Professional communication. Gmail is more than just email, it's your communication hub. How to use it as an MVA. Communicate with patients, doctors, or clinic staff. Organize emails using labels, example, appointments, billing, or follow-up. Use templates via canned responses or Gmail templates for common replies like appointment reminders or follow-up instructions. Schedule emails for future sending. Perfect for reminders or early morning messages. Tip: always use a professional email signature with your name, title, and contact info. 2. Google Calendar, appointment scheduling and reminders. This tool is essential for managing patient appointments and coordinating with healthcare professionals. How to use it as an MVA. Create calendars for different doctors or departments. Schedule appointments, consultations, or follow-ups with automated reminders. Share calendar access with proper permissions with doctors or team members. Set color codes, example, green for new patients, red for reschedules. Tip: use the appointment slots feature if patients self-book. 3. Google Sheets, tracking and reporting. Think of this as your digital logbook, perfect for organizing patient data, billing, or task tracking. How to use it as an MVA. Record and monitor appointment logs, track insurance claims, or billing info. Create patient intake logs, not PHI sensitive if not encrypted. Monitor task lists or productivity reports. Tip: use filters and conditional formatting to highlight pending tasks or missed appointments. 4. Google Docs, documentation and forms. Google Docs is your go-to for creating reports, SOPs, templates, and communication records. How to use it as an MVA. Draft SOPs or standard operating procedures for clinic workflows. Write and share consultation summaries, non-confidential unless HIPAA secured. Collaborate with other team members in real time. Use for client reporting and weekly updates. Tip: share docs with comment-only access when asking for approvals or edits. 5. Google Drive, cloud storage and sharing. Google Drive keeps your documents safe, backed up, and shareable. How to use it as an MVA. Organize folders by patient name, department, or date. Upload PDFs, images, scan forms, and invoices. Share files with proper permissions, view, comment, or edit. Store training materials, manuals, and compliance documents. Tip: be cautious with PHI or protected health information. HIPAA compliance requires encryption and proper sharing protocols. Use only if approved by your client. 6. Google Meet, a video conferencing. For meetings, consultations, or interviews, Google Meet is easy and secure. How to use it as an MVA. Host virtual meetings with doctors or patients. Assist in telehealth calls as a support person. Conduct onboarding or training sessions. Record meetings if permitted and take minutes using Google Docs. Tip: always test your audio and video before the session. Use a quiet, professional background. 7. Google Forms, surveys, and intake forms. Google Forms is useful for gathering patient info, feedback, or scheduling requests. How to use it as an MVA. Create new patient intake forms, non-sensitive details only. Collect post-consultation feedback. Set up pre-appointment questionnaire. Conduct surveys for clinic service improvement. Tip: always confirm what information is allowed on forms to remain HIPAA 8 compliant. Important: HIPAA compliance note: while Google Workspace can be made HIPAA compliant, it requires a business associate agreement with Google. Proper security configurations and admin controls. Avoid using Google tools for storing or sharing sensitive patient health info or file unless your client's setup is HIPAA approved. Summary of Google Workspace tools for MVAs. Tool: Gmail for patient and provider communication. Google Calendar for appointment scheduling and reminders. Google Sheets for tracking billing, tasks, and logs. Google Docs for SOPs, summaries, reports. Google Drive for file storage and document sharing. Google Meet for virtual meetings and telehealth calls. Google Forms for intake forms and feedback collection.
And that ends our video. Hope this was interesting and we're glad to have you with us. Thank you for watching. If you like contents like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.